And now comes golden rules. Let us discuss the golden rules of accounting, which is very much important in order to journalize. Entering the journal entries. Golden rules of accounting. All the business transactions are recorded on the basis of the following rules. So in the classification of accounts, we have seen what is personal and impersonal accounts. In personal, we have natural, artificial and representative accounts. And impersonal, we have real and nominal. So in the personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. So these rules are very important in order to solve the journal entries. And coming to real account, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Whereas coming to nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. If you recollect, if we go to the last slide, that is what explained in nominal accounts, income and expenses, gains and losses. So nominal account, debit all expenses and losses, credit all incomes and gains. Okay. Whereas coming to real, debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Personal account, debit the receiver, credit the giver. Okay. So without this rule, we can't solve journal entries. So one must ensure that you are thorough with the golden accounting rules. So here is the illustration which says classify the following items into personal, real and nominal accounts. So what is capital? Capital, for example, human capital. Under what category does it come? Does it come under personal, real or nominal accounts? That we need to see. For your better understanding, so this is personal, drawings are also personal, cash are real, interest paid is an expenses, so it is a nominal account. Let us see, sales is also real. Why? When we are selling goods, it is going out, so it is said to be a real account. Outstanding salary is also a personal, we have already dealt with it. Rent is an expenses, so it comes under nominal. Indian Bank, so what Indian Bank is a personal. Discount received, so income, all income, so it's a nominal. Building can be seen and touched, it's a real. Bank is a personal. Chandrasekhar, it is a name, so it's a personal. Murugan Lending Library, so even it is also a personal. Advertisement is an expenses, so it comes under nominal. Next, purchases. So purchase, when you are purchasing something is coming in, right? So even it is also real.